پهپادی رو ساختن، امکاناتی رو روی پهپاد سوار کردن که این پهپاد میتواند در ارتفاع مناسب پرواز بکند، برد مناسب دارد، در محیط جنگل حرکت بکند، مهمات خوب و مختزن و هوشمندی رو با خودش حمل بکنه و به راحتی میتواند برای هدف حرکت کند، منهدم کند و مراجعت نماید.
Unveiling of 7 achievements of the Army Ground Forces. Islamic Republic of Iran on Sunday 25th of April 2021 started unveiling and handing over defense achievements of the Nezaja Self-Sufficiency Research and Jihad Organization, which included technologies in fields of UAVs and electronic warfare, was held and attended by Admiral Habibullah Saari, Deputy Coordinator of the Army, and Brigadier General Karmaz Haidari, Commander of the Army Land Forces in the Nezaja Self-Sufficiency Research and Jihad Organization. These achievements include UAV portable radar alarms, UAV portable laser alarms, the network-based flight system based on artificial intelligence, TM-1400 disruptor system and reconnaissance on the Immigrant 6 drone, ground-based groundbreaking inference systems, a portable and UAV laser warning system, a turbojet engine propulsion system, and a UAV portable wave radar warning system. 1. UAV portable radar wave warning. The system has the ability to detect and disrupt air surveillance radars on UAVs, helicopters and fighter jets to deal with various types of surveillance and guidance radar threats. This system is completely indigenous and is based on internal technologies. 2. UAV laser warning capability. Ability to detect laser-guided weapons and airborne threats. Warning against short-range air defense systems of the enemy, including powerful laser destroyer, and the ability to send and announce warnings to the UAV ground control and guidance station, including the characteristics of this warning. Admiral Habibullah Saari said at the handover and unveiling ceremony of the Army ground equipment, "They have destroyed their creativity and knowledge." The Deputy Coordinator of the Army continued, "Today, Nezaja is aware of future threats and, while using past experiences, is also aware of the changes and developments caused by the passage of time." 3. Ranish-1 multi-purpose micro-turbojet engine. This engine can be used in UAV systems, single-seater aircraft, unmanned boats and various missile systems as a propulsion engine and startup of the main aircraft engines. This achievement, with low weight, high speed thrust, variety in fuel, high flight ceiling compared to piston engines, and the ability to carry cargo and increase flight continuity in a variety of drones are other features of Drift 1. 4. TM-1400 UAV self-protection system. Detection and reconnaissance of enemy guidance and air surveillance radars on the UAV. This system has available frequency bands and is capable of detecting various types of air surveillance radar signals and can intelligently intercept and disrupt the received signal in order to interfere. Amir Saari said, "Today, the Army ground forces have explained the dimensions of the threats and the scene of new threats, and based on this, they have streamlined their organizations and created mobile offensive teams." He added, "Today, Nezaja has created flexibility in the level of forces that hold various exercises and show new movements and new tactics." 5. Flight Total Network-based flight system based on artificial intelligence. This system consists of leading drones, follow-up drones and ground stations that have the ability to perform operations online or scheduled to follow drones. Also performing missions to identify, monitor and destroy enemy ground and flight targets, operational range and proper flight continuity, the ability to network from 3 to several aircraft on a variety of domestic drones, with a secure link and a completely indigenous control guidance system of other flight capabilities is plural. 6. Taha 1400 Interceptor system of enemy air surveillance radars on UAVs. This system, with a suitable power and using directional antennas, intelligently covers a wide area of operation and maintains the flight safety of various types of UAVs in the enemy area. Also, intelligence, low weight, low voltage consumption and the ability to install quickly and easily are among the capabilities of this system in operation in a variety of domestic drones. 7 upgraded ground-based disruptive systems dealing with drone threats and remotely controlled systems by disrupting the navigation system of this type of threats, the ability to disrupt most frequency bands, the ability to operate in all operational areas and battlefields, deployment, continuity of operation, intelligence and no need for the user is another feature of these systems. The deputy coordinator of the army said, "Today, our ground forces are provincial, martyrdom-seeking, specialized and flexible, and this is commendable to the Nezaja think tank, which knows what to do about future threats and how to increase the country's deterrent capacity. The enemies are watching our power and they know very well that they will receive a remorseful response if they take hostile action against our country," said Admiral Sayeri, referring to the Nezaja exercise of power on the Makran coast.